Hey everyone, I'm back with another exciting productivity pro tip. Today, we're busting out Microsoft Booking, bonus tool for helping you manage your calendar. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Managing appointments can be a juggling act, and finding the right tool for efficiency isn't always straightforward. When you're coordinating with a team or a client needs to book time with you, playing tag via email is cumbersome, so let's talk bookings. Open the Bookings app from the sidebar. It opens directly into the bookings page for the organization, but instead I'm going to go over to my bookings page. Here I can edit my banner. I can choose any of the images from here. I can share. Here's one I've already created. It's got office hours. I can add a category, so that's the color it appears in my calendar. Add a description, Teams booking, time, whether it's public or private. I can append it to my booking page and my signature. Edit the custom availability hours. Change it to my regular meeting hours. If I wanted to change my meeting hours, there's a link, takes me right back into the settings in Outlook. Here I can edit the location, my hours, save it back into my bookings page, create a new one, add a title, a category, give it a description, give it a custom time. So instead of a 30-minute meeting, maybe it's a 20-minute meeting, make it public or private, change to my regular meeting hours. Then I can open up the advanced options and change buffer times, when to start the time, how much lead time. I can add an email reminder or an email follow-up after the meeting, save it, and then I can come in, copy the link, share it, duplicate it, and more. Microsoft Bookings isn't just about scheduling. It's about enhancing your productivity and streamlining your appointment management. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.